Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable vibration in WhatsApp notifications on your Android device. If you're tired of your phone constantly buzzing every time you receive a message on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps to turn off the vibration setting. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings. Next, tap on the Settings option from the menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your WhatsApp experience. Now tap on the Notifications option. Here, you will find all the notification settings for WhatsApp, including vibration options. Tap on the Vibrate option. You will see a few different vibration settings to choose from. To disable vibration for WhatsApp notifications completely, select the Off option. And that's it. You have successfully turned off vibration for WhatsApp notifications on your Android device. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience without the constant buzzing interruptions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.